I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this.
Yeah, people. So, massacre them again. Don't know that term they know. Crab in a barrel. Crab in a barrel. Hold down settings. You ever pre-crab in a barrel yet? No crab can move forward. From one I move forward, the next set of crab I hold him back and I try pull him down and him a try climb out and him a try. You see it? Massacre? Yeah, that song I did well needed. Cause this bad mind, envious energy will go around like a virus and a parasite. From when, you know what I mean? Yeah, them people with their own will not give enough armor strength. Cause check this now. You have your little fire blaze. You see me I say? Some people will come around if they ignite the flames and fling some more things into the fire where flammable and make it flames, like them positive vibes, like them positive motivative speeches and them something there. No, them fall down and like them want piss on the fire and out it out or dash some water upon the fire. So we don't need them type of people there. So me I say, crab in a barrel, back up. And watch these people. How ironic it is to see footer hype. Zin, make sure you're not throw wood like y'all or shade like y'all. You know what I mean? This is not the way to go about the business. Zin, my name na elaborate upon the brother there and him comments to the man thing. Zin, the man could have never sue the brother. The man could have never business we don't know. Zin, the business is not like this. You can't impose upon a man because him utter certain words and them thing. They can watch I know. If me throw out some can, you know. Throw out some can. If pedo and pigeon fly down and white wing and all of them. Me did call no now no? No. See, so the man deal with him song, una fly down like una some ground dove or some ball plate. I want to know man, ease out. So, crab in a barrel I want bad song. I like the concept. You see me I say? Yeah, the man say, yo, better than beg me some because I have enough cheddar so him can give him, can share the man now. You see me I say? Because you what just say now. Just say, for feed the enemy, you know. See me, you know, but with a long spoon. So, it's not like you're near them, you know. And I like the Almighty tell us, say, yo, don't share with them. So right there and then, Jenna, what you mean? Right there, so them can't size up with you because you're willing to forgive all the evil, bad-minded people, them all piece of cheese, see them if you eat with a little bun, where dry, where them have. You know what I mean? You know, stray from the story and the topic, you keep it in context. Yeah? And I like that element because see the crab in a barrel. Them don't want to see a rise, them don't want to see a better. You fly go far and stack up the cheddar and you fall back, boy, and you live. You hear all sort of things. You did go do this, you did go do that. So, Massacre, just go out on the fire, yeah, and just stay for your journey, stay focused. You see me? Yeah, so people make me know, tell me what go on, what you think about the crab in a barrel. Because I know say they experience it out there, you know. I know enough market people experience it, you know. Two of them, they decide them one of that, two of them are sell the same thing, but them are customer and say, why am I customer? No, it's up to the customer if them want to spend their money with me this week, and spend their money with you next week, and spend their money with the next lady down there. So, because guess what now, the whole of without here hustle. Saying in the music business, no one, no fair fight, no one, because a hustle man, I'm a hustle and try to make a piece of food to survive, take care of them family, and deal with things. So people, Beer Fox, and it's Beer Vibes TV, you know. Wanna go check it out. Crab in a barrel. Tell me you wanna think about it. I wanna know if you don't love it, if you don't love it. At least we know you must love it. You must love it, cause fire it abon.
It's your boy Grizzly Bear, Beer Fox, Beer Vibes TV, and I'm out.
I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this.